How to use writing style on Samsung keyboard with Samsung Galaxy S26 Writing Assist. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then tap on Writing Assist. Make sure you tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then we go back to the home screen. From here, open up the app that you use so that you can bring up the keyboard. Once you see the keyboard, start writing some text. And then tap on this AI icon on the far left. Once you tap on that, tap on Writing Style. And then from the selected text, the application will automatically suggest some writing style alternative. So here we've got the professional style, casual style, social. So here for social, it said, "Hello there, I'm old, but I'm a lot of fun." And then age, fun, hash key, polite. And then you got emojified. So those are the 5 different styles that you could choose: professional, casual, social, polite, and emojified. Select a style and simply tap on the replace button to replace the text. Here I can tap on writing style again, and then from here you can continue to make the changes. So I can copy it to the clipboard if you want to copy that and then paste it to a different app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.